Hello students, welcome back to part 2 of session 6. You know that in session 6 we concentrated on how to prepare accounts in the books of main lessor, that is Murthy. Today we are concentrating on how to prepare accounts in the books of main lessee as a capacity of lessee, that is in the books of Basu. You know that three important accounts to be prepared. One is payable account, royalty payable account, next one is short working account, the other one is Murthy's account. Having aware of the fact that first 2 years there is short working and the short working is carried forward to next year. So means very next year and very next year. So due entry should be passed in the books of lessee. How to pass due entry? We should start from lesser account. What's the journal entry? Royalty payable account data, short working account data to lesser account. Lesser here means Murthy's account. So royalty payable account 4,000, short working account 11,000, to lesser account that is to Murthy's account totally 15,000. So in royalty payable account debtor to Murthy's account 4,000, that should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. In short working account debtor to Murthy's account 11,000, that should be carried forward to next year. So by balance carried down 11,000, next year to balance brought down 11,000. So then lessee need to pay to lessor journal entry Murthy's account debtor to bank or cash account 15,000 so that Murthy's account get closes during that year. Next year also same situation, due entry should be started from lesser account, journal entry royalty payable account debtor, short working account debtor to lesser, that is Murthy's account 10,000 and 5,000 respectively. In royalty receipt payable, so royalty payable account debtor to Murthy's account 10,000 should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account 10,000, and in short working account royalties account debtor to short working account debtor to Murthy's account 5,000. So that should be carried forward to next year by balance carried down 16,000 to balance brought down next year 16,000. As far as amount payable to Murthy will be paid by the lessee journal entry is Murthy's account debtor to bank account 15,000. So this is all about first 2 years. So next year situation is different. Fourth situation where what is that? There is excess and excess is used to recoup short working. So then the due entry should not be started from lesser account. To try to understand, due entry should be started from royalty account. The journal entry royalty payable account data to Murthy's account 18,000 to short working account 16,000. So now in short working account by royalty 16,000 so that short working get closes. Henceforth there is no short working. In Murthy's account by royalty payable 18,000 and to Murthy amount will be paid journal entry Murthy's account debtor to bank account 18,000 and royalty payable account should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account so that all three account get closes. Then next 2 years situation is same, that is situation 5. So 4th year and 5th year, what is that? There is excess and excess is not used to recoup short working. What's the journal entry? Royalty payable account debtor to Murthy's account 22,000 should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. In Murthy's account, so take to understand, in Murthy's account by royalty payable 22,000, royalty will be payable to Murthy, journal entry Murthy's account debtor to bank 22,000. So this account also get closes. Same entries need to be passed in 2014. Due entry, what is that? Royalty payable account debtor to Murthy's account 34,000, that should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. In Murthy's account, means in the books of lessee only. So in lesser account debtor, royalty payable account debtor to lesser account 34,000. So to bank how much? 34,000. So that both the accounts get closes. This is how to prepare necessary account in the books of whom? Basu being a capacity of lessee. Now again we have to prepare accounts in the books of Basu as a capacity of lessor. What are all the entries? Royalty receivable account, short working allowable account, Ganesh account. So henceforth we should concentrate on what is that? Royalty receivable chart, means royalty chart relating to sublease. So ಆ chart ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು accounts prepare ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So let me have a look on that chart. Just a minute. Just see this chart. You should look at this chart and prepare accounts in the books of Basu being a lessor and the books of Ganesh being a lessee. We should look at this chart. So first year there is short working, second year also there is short working, first 2 years situation second, third year situation fifth, excess is used to recoup, fourth and fifth year situation is just like fifth situation, so where there is no recoupment. So having aware of the situation and aware of the fact that what entries need to be passed in those situations, let me prepare accounts in the books of Murthy being lesser. Being what? Lesser. What are all the accounts? So entry accounts are royalty receivable account, short working allowable account and Ganesh account. So first due entry should be passed. First 2 years situation is there is short working and short working is carry forward. So a due entry should be passed from should be recorded from lessee's account. Journal entry lessee's account data means Ganesh account data to royalty receivable 3000 to short working allowable 7000. So in short working allowable account by Ganesh account 7000, in royalty receivable, so by Ganesh account 3000. Royalty receivable should be transferred to profit and loss account, and what is that? Short working allowable should be carried forward. Balance in short working account allowable account should be carried forward to next year. Then who is that? Basu will receive amount from Ganesh journal entry bank account debtor to Ganesh account 10,000, so that all three accounts means all two accounts get closer. Short working account shows a balance that was carried forward to next year. Second year also situation is same. Due entry must be passed from lessee's account. Journal entry lessee's means Ganesh account data to royalty receivable to short working allowable. The 6,000 should be recorded on credit side of royalty receivable by Ganesh. That should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account, and this 4,000 should be recorded on credit side of short working as by Ganesh 4,000. So then short working should be carried forward to next year. So to balance carried down 11,000. So by balance brought down is 11,000. Ganesh will make the payment. So what's the journal entry? Bank account debtor to Ganesh account 10,000. So this is all about second year. So then third year the situation is entirely different. What is the situation? There is excess, and excess was used to recoup the short working. So due entry should not be started with the lessee's account. It should be started with royalty receivable account. Journal entry Ganesh account debtor, short working allowable account debtor to royalty receivable 10,000 and 5,000, totally 15,000. In short working account to royalty receivable 5,000, and in Ganesh account what is that? To royalty receivable. In Ganesh account to royalty receivable 10,000. Third year. So next royalty account should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. Royalty account should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. See here, to profit and loss account 15,000. Lessee will make the payment. Bank account debtor to who is that? Bank account debtor to lessee account 10,000. Bank account debtor to lessee's account 10,000. As far as short working is concerned, so there is irrecoverable short working. Journal entry short working account debtor to profit and loss account 2,000, and 4,000 is carried forward to next year. So short working account debtor to balance carried down 4,000. So next year opening by balance brought down 4,000 as far as 2013 is concerned. So then 2013 situation is entirely different. What is the situation? You just look at this. There is minimum rent is, royalty will take care of all things. So minimum rent, royalty and minimum rent is equal, because minimum rent is equal to royalty because of stripe. So royalty is equal to minimum rent. So as royalty is equal to minimum rent, situation is third situation. So in the books of Basu, so we should pass due entry Ganesh account debtor to royalty receivable 6,000. The royalty receivable account debtor should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. So Ganesh account debtor to royalty receivable in Ganesh account On debit side 6,000 and he will receive the cash bank account debtor to Ganesh's account 6,000 so that both the accounts get closes. But as far as short working is concerned, as there is no surplus, this is the last year for second year short working recoupment. So as there is no surplus, that 4,000 is fully transferred to profit and loss account. So short working account debtor to profit and loss account 4,000. So that henceforth short working account will not come. Then as far as fifth year is concerned, you just look at the royalty chart. This is what fifth year. So royalty is more than the minimum rent. There is excess. Excess is used to make payment for whom? Lessor. So then how we have to prepare accounts in the books of who is that? Basu being a lessor. So what's the journal entry? Ganesh account debtor to royalty receivable account 36,000. So royalty receivable account debtor to profit and loss account 36,000 so that it get closes. As far as Ganesh account is concerned, so Ganesh account debtor to royalty receivable 36,000. So bank account debtor to Ganesh account 36,000. Ganesh account debtor to royalty receivable 36, bank account debtor to royalty receivable 36. So that all the two accounts get closes with regard to last year. So this is how to prepare a books of accounts in the books of whom? Basu as a capacity of lessor. Now in the books of Ganesh as a capacity of lessee, what are all the accounts? Royalties account, royalties account, short working account and Basu's account. Royalty payable account is this, then short working account and Basu's account. You do one thing, you just learn what is there. You know now how to pass entries in the books of lessee. The same entries have to be remembered based on situation, and you have, that is what we studied in theory class, and you have to concentrate on each and every year situation. Then we have to prepare accounts in the books of Ganesh. So I am not concentrating on how I prepared accounts in the books of Ganesh. Again, Ganesh is lessee. We should look at what chart? Second lease chart. That is what is that? Royalty receivable chart to prepare accounts in the books of Ganesh. We just look at how I prepared these accounts, royalties account, short working account and Basu's account. So try to solve it, because I have already said how to pass in the books of main lessor, how to pass in the books of main lessee as a capacity of lessee, how to pass in the books of main lessee as a capacity of sublessor. Now in the books of Ganesh means how to pass entries in the books of lessee. So lessee part we have already discussed in the books of Basu. The same thing should be taken care of here also. The same journal entries will come, but amount is different. There Basu was lessee to Murthy. Here Ganesh is lessee to Basu. We should look at second chart, not at first chart. I am leaving this portion to you. You just concentrate, try to solve this. Only if you feel difficulty, then look at this answer which was already sent to you in the form of PDF. You just look at that. Again, if you have confusion, so try to contact me immediately.